Hi everyone. So the time has come. We're going to start with trigonometry. I'm sure you're all as excited as I am. So first of all, let's just actually look at what the word means, because you've probably heard it before, but it might not mean a lot just yet because we've never used it. So first of all, we've got tri, which I know most people should be happy with, meaning 3. Okay, use it in triangles, tripod, triceratops, has 3 horns on its face, loads and loads of different ways to use that. So we've got tri. This part here comes from the word, I can't remember how to say it now, but this gono here means knee or angle. Okay, so we've got angle, how it bends, a bit like your knee bends. And the last part here is to measure. Okay, so 3 angle measure. Okay, and that's kind of what we're looking at, quite literally, things with 3 angles that we're going to measure. Okay, so it works with triangles. We use trigonometry when we're using triangles. Now, this first triangle I've put here, I think you should all be quite happy. I'm going to call that triangle number, well, let's call it A, because I've already got a 3 there, that might confuse us. A. And I expect most of you now should be quite happy that we can use Pythagoras to calculate the last side on that triangle. Okay, use Pythagoras theorem, and that will help us calculate the last side on that triangle, and we've done loads of work on that. I know you're quite comfortable with it. Triangle B is a triangle with one angle here, a right angle which we know is 90 degrees, and so from the laws of our triangles, we already looked at this the other week, all angles in a triangle must add up to 180 degrees, so we can calculate that missing angle. Okay, so you should be quite happy with those 2 things. Now, trigonometry comes into play when we're in a situation like this, and we're given one side and one angle, but we don't really have enough information to find those other sides. Okay, so we're going to look at how to do this. So in this case, we don't have enough information to use Pythagoras. We've got a right angle in here. We could calculate the last angle. Okay, we'd have 60 degrees up there. We could do that, but we still can't find those missing side lengths. So trigonometry can help us with that. Likewise here, we have got the 2 side lengths here, and we could use Pythagoras to find the missing side length. It would be 4 centimetres if you calculated it, but that doesn't help us with any of the angles. Trigonometry will help us to calculate what these angles would be, okay, because we don't have enough information at the moment to calculate what they are. So that's just a bit of a chat about what trigonometry is. Okay, I've got another video coming up in a moment with the first steps that we're going to take in learning trigonometry. So have a look out for that. Thanks, folks.